Hello, my name is Abby, and today I'm going to be teaching you least to greatest decimal. Here's an example. This is not in any specific order. Now, let's look at the decimal. The ones behind them are called the part, and the ones in front are a whole. So, let's look at the two biggest, 83.2 and 37.60. So, which one is bigger, 38 or 37? I believe that 83 is bigger, so we're just going to move that to the back because it is least to greatest, and 37 is next after it. Now, let's look at these guys. 0.6 or 4.78. Which one is the larger? 4 is probably bigger, and 0 is smaller. They are both, yes, that's the correct order. Bye. Thanks for watching.